Hello and welcome back to another episode of the crazy artist in her studio. So we are going to work on this guy right here. So I have leftover paint from the tart cake painting that I finished. For you guys it's yesterday, for me it's like an hour ago. Yeah, so I am going to use the rest of the pads that I have on my palette on this right here, and I have used a lot of whites. Like there's a whole lot of texture on this painting because what I had put on before was a underpainting of a winter scene, so everything was like French ultramarine blue, so it was very dark, very dark. This isn't one of my best. That's the one problem I have painting over some of my old canvases, is that they're not the best canvases in the world, but we live, we learn. Okay, so I'm just gonna paint this guy, and then I think I want to get started on this guy. At least I think so. The only reason why I say that is because I don't think it's fully dry. Oh, it might be. Oh. Ooh. It is fully dry. Look at that. Would you look at that? So I'm thinking about putting it this way. I just see a waterfall. I already found a reference photo. I'm trying to decide which way I want it to go. I don't know, maybe this way? Or maybe this way. I mean, I really like this painting as is. Maybe I won't do this one today. No, I won't do this one. Stop eating baby Rachel. I'm like nervous because I don't want to ruin it. What do they say? It's just paint. You paint over it again, right? Ta-da! Take a picture of it now before I add to it. Okay, so now that we have a game plan, let's get started. Just look at that texture. So cool. Okay, so how cool is that, huh? Funky. I kind of like it this way, I think. Well, I don't know what this is going to turn into, but it'll be something cool. But anyway, so now I'm gonna clean off the palette. We'll do the time lapse of that, and now we're gonna get started on the waterfalls. Hello. So, good and bad news. My battery died while I was recording the time lapse, and I didn't notice. So I started, and I don't know if you can see what I did so far. We added some waterfalls. Unfortunately, I'm covering up that yellow. You know what, it looked nice when it was just the, like this painting, like the abstract. It balanced it very nicely. But with the waterfalls going in, it kind of looked a little weird. So we're going to do that. It is coming out lovely, I would say so far. Yeah, I don't know how much of this abstract I'm going to keep. I'm actually really digging this part and maybe just making this like legit waterfall. And like that's not new paint, that was there already, so it kind of adds to it. This kind of makes it feel like waterfall or mist. The same thing with this. So I have to add some water, tighten up this canvas. But other than that, I think because my battery died and I realized what I did, I'm going to call it quits tonight because I've been painting now. What time is it? Like 10 hours. Yeah, I would say about 10. And that doesn't include like the other work I did, like posting everything and doing all that jazz, because that takes time too. So I guess we can say this was like a 12-hour work day. Not bad. And yeah, I'm really excited. I got a lot done. I'm excited to see what I paint on these abstract canvases that I keep creating. I don't think all of them are going to be like this with a very abstract background. I think the kangaroo one I'm going to leave because I really like how that one came out. Like, I don't know, it's just speaking to me. So the floral one that I want to do, I don't know. I like the colors, but I'm probably gonna paint over not most of it. Like, I'm gonna paint a floral scene, so like whatever is left in the background will be visible, but it's not gonna be like crazy. Maybe I'll paint some flowers for my garden. I don't know, we'll see. And then, so tomorrow I think I want to keep working on this and get this done, and then I have a giant canvas that I want to start prepping because I need to paint that background and then let that dry, and then I can start working on that. So that is what we are doing. And yeah, I think I'm tired. I think I've had enough and I'm calling it quits. And I hope you have enjoyed and you like seeing how things come together. And I'm sorry that this time lapse for this messed up, but tomorrow we will do better. Yep, that's how we're gonna go. Anyway, have a wonderful creative day and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.